Hey guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my weight loss diet. This is something that I eat in a day for weight loss. I don't eat the exact same things every single day. There are like slight alterations every day. But by watching this video, you will kind of pretty much get the idea of what kind of food that I eat every day. And this weight loss meal consists of 10 meals throughout the day. So don't worry, you're not going to starve or anything like that. You're going to be full all day long, and you're going to be eating only healthy stuff, things that get digested easily into your body, and things that will not increase the fat in your body but instead burn the fat inside your body. And apart from this diet, I also do a half an hour walk every single day. So I kind of alter between walking and jogging in that 30-minute period. And apart from that, I drink 4 liters of water every single day. 2 liters or 3 liters is not enough. That's the amount of water that your body needs to be fit. But if you want to lose weight, you have to drink a minimum of 4 liters of water every single day. So make sure you incorporate at least 4 liters of water every single day. Otherwise, this weight loss meal is gonna react in a reverse way. And instead of losing weight, you will kind of see other reactions on your body, because you're gonna be eating throughout the day, every single day. And in order to digest that food, you need to drink a lot of water. And also, before I begin with showing you the entire meal, I also want to mention that I've been following this diet for about 4 weeks now, and in the first 3 weeks itself I lost 2 kgs. So this weight loss plan has been really useful for me. And I also want to mention about my lifestyle a little bit. I'm a vegetarian, so I only eat vegetarian food. I usually stay at home all day. It's just for errands that I go out of the house. I don't work. YouTube is my only job, so it's a stay at home kind of a thing for me. And my lifestyle doesn't even involve any kind of heavy work or anything like that. My lifestyle is pretty much, sedentary. So this is the kind of meal that I eat for my kind of lifestyle. So with all that being said, let's get started with my weight loss plan. So for the first meal of the day, I just take 1 glass of warm water. Make sure your water is warm and not hot, and add half a lemon to it and drink this on an empty stomach in the morning. I do this at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. This helps to increase your metabolism. It helps to burn your fats. It kind of wakes you up. So instead of having your tea and coffee, have this as your meal. It also has a lot of antioxidants, which helps to flush out all of the toxins from your body, and it helps to glow your skin. So it has like multiple benefits, and I highly recommend you do not skip out on this step and do it only on an empty stomach. The second meal of the day is at 9 a.m. after I'm done with having a bath. I just have a few soaked almonds and a few soaked walnuts and 1 date. That's it. So dry fruits are a must for your body. They provide you with the additional nutrients and minerals and vitamins that your body needs. So make sure you consume a few dry fruits, a handful of them every single day, into your meal. The third meal of my day is at 9:30 a.m. and I have 1 glass of warm green tea. Make sure your green tea is warm and not cold. Otherwise, it's not going to help in burning any fat. And along with green tea, I have half a vegetable sandwich. Make sure you do not add any butter or cheese. Otherwise, you're just defeating the purpose of weight loss. And for green tea, you can have any brand green tea. There are so many brands available in the market. Or you can just buy some green tea leaves from your local sabzi wala. Anyone who sells coriander and mint leaves will have those green tea leaves. So you can buy some of the leaves and just wash them and then boil them in water and have that. That's like the most natural form of green tea, and it tastes amazing. It doesn't taste bitter at all like the packaged green teas in the market. The fourth meal of my day is at 11 a.m. and I just have a thin glass of chas. So by thin glass, I mean I take 1 tablespoon of dahi and the rest of the glass is filled with water, and I just stir the dahi into my water. You can also grind it in the mixture if you want, but I just like to stir it. I don't add any salt into my chas, but if you want a little bit of taste, you can add some jeera powder to your chas. So this thin glass of chas kind of keeps me full until lunch. The fifth meal of my day is my lunch, and before I begin with my lunch, I like to have this Agni Mantha weight loss capsule. This is by the brand Nature Sure, and they provide you with 60 capsules in here. So you have to have 1 capsule before your main meal. That is 1 capsule before lunch and 1 capsule before dinner every single day, and this helps in weight loss. 1 capsule of Agni Mantha contains 100 grams of Agni Mantha and 400 grams of Shilajit. This is really good for your body. It helps in faster weight loss. That's the reason why I love using this. And after consuming that capsule, I begin with my lunch, and for lunch I have 2 rotis. You can have like 1 or 2 rotis depending upon your appetite, and I like to have 1 bowl of vegetable with it and 1 bowl of dal with it. And I also make it a point to include some salad in there, so whatever vegetables that you have in the house, you can just cut them off and make that into a salad. Make sure you don't add any extra salt to the salad. If you want some kind of flavor to your salad, you can add a little bit of pepper powder, but no salt at all. And the sixth meal of my day is again 1 glass of warm green tea. Make sure you have something with your green tea. Green tea is not supposed to be had alone. You have to eat something along with green tea. So I like to have some sugar-free biscuits or some maida-free biscuits, or even some digestive biscuits. So any healthy biscuits from the market, you can just have them. I like to have 2 of these biscuits. You can have 2 or 3 maximum. So this I have at 4 p.m. Now moving on to the 7th meal of the day, which is at 5 p.m. I like to have some fruit. Any fruit would do for this matter. Make sure you do not have any bananas, mangoes or chikus, because they contain a lot of sugar in them and very little fiber. So you're just putting like sugars in your body. I know it's natural form of sugar, but still, why do you want to put sugars inside your body? You can have like any other fruits of your choice, like apples, strawberries, papayas, watermelon, and so many different fruits are available in the market. You can have any of them. Make sure that they contain some level of fiber so that your body can digest the fruit better and absorb the sugars better. And then again, you don't just have to limit yourself to just one single fruit. You can have 2 fruits, 3 fruits, 4 fruits, n number of fruits. Fruits are really good for your body, so have any number of fruits as long as your stomach is full. The 8th meal of my day is at 6 p.m. and I like to have 1 glass of warm turmeric milk. Now people who want to lose weight are usually advised not to have dairy products into their diet, but I love having 1 glass of turmeric milk every single day because it not just helps me with weight loss, it also helps me with glowing skin. It helps me with my bone issues, any kind of joint pains that I have, and it helps in digestion, and it has so many different benefits apart from all of this. Turmeric is like the best ingredient. It is one thing that you have to have in your diet because it just has so many different benefits for your body. So make sure you have 1 glass of warm turmeric milk. The 9th meal of my day is again my dinner, and again pre-dinner I like to have this Agni Mantha weight loss capsule. As I mentioned earlier, I have this before my lunch and also before my dinner every single day, and then I like to begin with my dinner. So for dinner, I like to have 1.5 bowl of soup. You can also have like 1.5 bowl of salad if you want. You don't have to stick to 1.5 bowl. That's just how much my appetite is. I cannot eat more than that, and if I eat any less than that, then I get hungry again. So 1.5 bowl is my appetite. If you can have like just 1 bowl or just 2 bowls, that's completely upon you. So I like to have 1.5 bowl of soup, and I like to mix all the vegetables that I have lying around in my refrigerator, and I just mix all of them. I boil them and then I just churn them, and then I like to add some salt and pepper powder, and that's it. That's my soup. And for salads, I like to mix all of the veggies again, whatever I have lying around in my house, and on top of that I like to add some green chutney or some curd or just some pepper powder and consume it as it is. So your dinner always needs to be a little light on your stomach yet filling. So this is the kind of dinner that you need to have in your weight loss plan. And now finally, the last meal of the day, that is the 10th meal. I like to have 1 glass of warm water with a pinch of cinnamon powder. So this warm water helps to burn all of the fats that you have had throughout the day, and cinnamon powder is also amazing in burning fat and to reduce your weight. So this combination is really going to help to flush out all of the toxins in your body if you've had any throughout the day, and it's going to help in faster weight loss and burning all of that stubborn fat in your body. So those are all of the things that I eat throughout the day, and in case if I get hungry like at any point of time, then I like to have any fruit of my choice. I just skip chikus, bananas and mangoes. Apart from that, I eat any and every fruit. So yeah, those are all of the things that I eat throughout the day to lose weight, and it's been working. And this entire weight loss plan has been working really well for me. Apart from eating all of this, I consume 4 liters of water as I mentioned earlier, and I do 30 minutes of walking every single day. You can work out a little more if you want, you can drink a little more water if you want, but make sure it's not less than 4 liters of water and not less than 30 minutes of walk every single day. And if you have a more active lifestyle than mine, then you can include some more calories into your diet, because your body does require them to conduct your day-to-day activities. My life is pretty much sedentary, and that's why I just include these kind of foods in my life. So if you can relate to my lifestyle, and if your lifestyle is pretty much similar, then you can incorporate this meal into your diet. And then again, you don't have to follow the exact same diet that I showed you. You just have to take a few points from here and there and incorporate them into your diet and see what works out for you better. I've been trying out various things in my diet plan since the longest time now. I've altered my diet like so many times, and since the past 3 weeks I've stuck to this diet plan and it's been working really well. For me, I have lost like 2 kgs in the past 3 weeks, and that's why I can actually see the results and recommend this diet plan to y'all. So the purpose of this video was only to share what I eat in a day to lose weight, and to help you guys who are struggling with your weight so that you can also lose weight on a healthy note. Also, I highly recommend you try some weight loss supplements because they really help in faster weight loss. I love using this Nature Sure Agni Mantha weight loss capsules. They give you 60 capsules, and this one retails for rupees 1790 rupees, which is 1800 rupees, and this bottle is going to last you for 1 month, because you have to consume 2 capsules every day. So this is going to last you for 30 days. If you're looking to lose weight fast, then a weight loss supplement really comes handy in that. So yeah, that is my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends who are struggling with weight loss, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon so that you're notified about all of my upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram. The direct link to my Instagram handle will be in the bottom bar, so you can check that out. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.